Want to learn how to change your birth date on Facebook account to Facebook Lite app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on these 3 straight parallel lines on the top right corner. Tap on View Your Profile below your profile name. Tap on Edit Profile next to Add to Story. Scroll down. On the bottom, you can see an option of Edit Your About Info. Tap on it. Scroll down. You can see that you have 2 of the option on this basic info that I have just filled, that is gender and birthday. Since we are trying to change the birth date of our Facebook, we need to tap on this pencil icon next to our birthday on the right corner. Tap on it. So just by doing it, you can see that here I have an option of choosing my birth date, birth month and birth year. For that, tap on this birth month and choose your month. I'm randomly going to select 1 and then tap on this date and choose the next date and tap on this birth year below and choose your birth year. When you're done doing all of them, scroll down, tap on the save option on the bottom right corner and then scroll down and see that there has been some changes on your birthday. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you and guide you to the correct place. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.